Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can make Claude AI on your Android or a mobile device read out aloud responses it gives to you. So let us guide you through this. Launch Claude AI and here from your home screen or home feed, simply navigate to the conversation you would like to listen to. So let me go that weather forecast I asked Claude AI about for Southern UK just an hour ago. So guys, simply browse through your chat history here, through the conversation with Claude AI. And at the bottom of the given message, you will see that menu with the copy button, share button, play, thumbs up, thumbs down, and a retry. So if you'd like to listen to it, simply press or tap into that play button here. And that is going to make Claude AI read out aloud the message or response to you. Of course, as you can see, my phone is muted right now, so I won't be hearing anything, but you can do it by yourselves on your Android phone, guys, and simply listen to these responses by tapping into this button so that you don't have to read it. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.